There we go. Okay. Okay, there's the pre-fill. Pre-fill. Fast set. And it'll be drying in about an hour. We'll come back. Just documenting it on my camera. Okay, and then we got that. That's pre-filled. I noticed something in the hall. I don't know who's doing that or whatever, but nobody said anything, so. Well, here's the old white truck there with all the drywall stuff in it. And of course me, the guy doing the job. And I've just gotten the tape on after the pre-fill had to set for an hour. And now we're just gonna go away until tomorrow morning. We're gonna come back and do the first coat. Second coat Friday, angles and skimming Monday. I told her I'd sand and prime it and do the texture on Tuesday morning. Leaving me open for Wednesday. Kind of a neat little building, eh? And up to the third floor. Excuse the unshaven face today. Sometimes I let it go a bit. It's okay, it's all good. And just to give her a key back. Tapes are done. And funny little spots like there where the bead meets. And that funny little spot where you have to have. There you go. Spot here too. Okay. There's one on the wall. One on that wall. Okay. There's one on the door. Fans in place. There we go. That was kind of enjoyable. And quickly back into the truck here. Here's where the camera belongs. Okay, as you can see, we got the angles wet. We got the sanded on the top, sanded that, a couple touch-ups for second coat. Angles again, and all the way over to the end, because, you know, want things to look out good. Got some second coat touch-up type stuff going on. This is Friday, Tuesday after the long weekend. We come back, skim it out. Put a sealer on that patch there. Put our first coat of popcorn texture on. And it's looking pretty good. I'm out of here. Okay, here's Thursday, and here's our first coat. We'll just show you. Leaving out of the night. And we're packing up the stuff for the weekend. Got everything out of there. And we have to get this truck fixed. There's a problem going on. And here's one of the things right there I noticed, eh? See that piece of plastic, that rubber thing here, right here? That tells you that something happened up here and it got pulled off, and it's so stiff it won't push back on, at least not now. That looks kind of funny. But when we're turning tight corners now in parking lots, it seems like the brakes are going on. So you can add that to the feeling of a loose steering mechanism or connection somewhere. Something like, you know, maybe the pitman arm on the bottom of the steering box. Could be a tie rod end, could be worn wheel bearings. So anyway, it has to be looked at, and that's pretty quick. It has to happen quick. Okay, have a good long weekend. See you on Tuesday. Okay, here we go. Sealer done, hatch is done. Man, oh yeah. She wanted to paint herself, so you know, it's all good. Looks good. Huh. The texture's pretty close, eh? My match, did you see it? Pretty close, right? Alright. So when it dries, everything all be okay.